good morning. Welcome to Taxi City. How may I assist you today?
I would like to book a reservation.
What room type you would like to book, ma'am?
Suite room.
And for how many nights?
For 3 nights.
3 nights. And what date of your arrival?
May 10th.
May 10th. For 3 nights. And for how many packs now?
Only one. It's for 2 nights actually.
2 nights. So superior, right?
Suite.
For only one. May I know your name?
Richland J. Paralan.
Your home address, ma'am.
Andawi City.
Davao City. Do you have any company, ma'am? Your contact number. Contact number.
Contact number is 955 277
677
277
277.
7220.
How would you like to pay me?
I would like to pay through cash.
So your 2 nights with it is 14,000, ma'am, total. 14,000.
So, it's not here.
So I received exact amount, ma'am. So
Good morning.
that's all, ma'am. So your reservation is confirmed, and here's your receipt, ma'am. Here's the receipt, ma'am. So enjoy your stay, and if you have any requests or concerns, just feel free to ask our front desk. We're looking forward to welcoming you in our